pleased to be here to see this new development at the site of the old Glebe school. It is a development of some 63 houses, which is at the moment the largest that we of Perth and Kinross have developed. It will cater for families, it will cater for single people, it will cater for special needs. In all, it will help people to come to thrive in a marvellous community, I think, in due course. The properties are built to high standards, which will make them energy efficient, which will help people's bills come down, and will obviously drive down fuel poverty. And they have been constructed to a high quality. They have been constructed in collaboration with the residents of Scone, who had an input into the design and layout of the site. They will transform the lives of everyone who lives here.
The environment has been thought of right the way through the development. Each of the houses has solar panels, and each house has swift boxes and bat boxes to help the local environment. And also each garden has the holes in the bottom of the fence to allow for the hedgehog highways. And within the development there's also a community garden which will make the place look really nice, and it's got a lot of greenery around the development as well.